Case name Satvahana Rao, age is 28 years, and today date is 22nd of April 2025, and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before treatment. Tell about yourself and your problem.
Hello, myself Satvahana. I have high pitch voice problem. I want to consult Mr. Dr. Sanjay.
So what happened when you talk to the people?
When I talk to the people, they tell your voice is like female.
Post-therapy video of Mr. Rao, and today date is 29th of April 2025. So Mr. Rao, on which date you came, why you came, and how do you feel after the end of the treatment?
I came 22/4/2025.
Look, that's it.
I came for the high pitch voice problem. After the treatment, my voice is better now.
From which place you came?
I came from Dubai.
Okay, what do you do in Dubai?
I am a hotelier. I am working as a F&B service department.
Okay, so you recorded your voice sample on the first day and today also.
Yes.
So once you compare in your mobile, what difference you've observed?
It's looking lots of difference from before and after.
Miss, what specific areas in the lots of that?
Before I have the voice like feminine, now I am getting the male voice.
And what about the loudness?
Loudness and bass is the very nice now. It's
okay.
Good.
So when you spoke to any of your friends or relatives, what was the feedback?
They are saying you are not Satvahana Rao, someone else speaking.
Then how you gave the proof? How you gave the proof?
I told and I speak them.
Okay, any video call was required, or without video call they accepted your?
Yeah, they accept at last.
Okay, fine. So can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks from coming from Dubai.
Yes.
And showing faith on us, and you came to Bangalore. Thank you so much, and your voice has been improved and you are very happy. So those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in voice pre and post treatment voice sample, please like this video, share this video. बात दूर दूर तक पहुंचाइए, क्या पता किसी के काम आ जाए जो ऐसी समस्या से जूझ रहा हो. Thank you for watching.